May ma-offer sportsmanship kita.
Hello?
Out of sportsmanship. Please raise your right hand and follow me. After me. I, Jan Ganadio, representing the team of Barangay Bula, do I hereby solemnly swear to abide by the rules, guidelines, and regulations established for this tournament. I pledge to play the game with absolute discipline, honesty, and integrity, keeping the spirit of sportsmanship alive in every play.
Uy, scout ka na.
I promise to respect my opponent, to honor the decision of the referees and technical officials, and to play with fairness, regardless of the pressure of competition. I commit to rise above self-interest, to win with humility, and to accept defeat with dignity and grace. Above all, I vow to foster camaraderie, excellence, and unity, proving that our passion for the game transcends winning or losing. With full awareness of my responsibilities as an athlete and a role model, I make this solemn pledge in the name of fair play and global sportsmanship. So help me God.
Thank you so much. Okay.